Matt, here we go. Welcome to the fishing show. Unboxings, tips and tricks, fishing action you won't miss. Oh, welcome to Matt's Fishing. Hope y'all enjoy the show. Be sure to smash the like button and drop a comment down below.
Hey guys, what is up? Matt here with Matt Fishing, back with another video. Today, as you guys see behind me here, I am back out at a little pond. I haven't fished this since last year, so we're going to give it a go. We're going to do a small little topwater by Savage Gear, little Cicada topwater. You know, we've had the Cicada hatch this year in Illinois. I'm sure you guys can hear them behind me. So we're going to throw that, and then we're going to throw a little 5-inch Nessie on some finesse gear, you know, light spinning tackle with 10-pound braid, and we're going to see what we can do. So let's go ahead. Let's do the Cicada versus the Nessie. Drop a comment below who's going to win this challenge. In this pond behind me, there's no huge bass. Maybe there's like 1 or 2 that are like 4 pounds, but the rest are actually pretty small. So there's going to be no giants. We might be able to get one big one out of here, but just a heads up, no giant catches are going to be in today's video, I'm sure. So let's go ahead and hit the water and let's get to fishing. A fish or something splashing. There's a fish. Oh, he came off. There's one. Little guy. Little largemouth. Like I said, guys, there's a lot of small ones in here, but there's some decent ones too. This is very microfish, but we could have just a little micro series going on today. He's chilly. It's definitely cold. I mean, look at that. Just a little guy. You know, the shadows here are pretty bad. But little guy on a little cicada bug. I thought I heard some splashing going on out there. Sure enough. Oop, bad cast. Oh yeah, they're blowing up right out there. Kind of in a tricky spot, but got him. It was just sitting out there. It's a better one. Like I said, they're not giants in here, but this is way better than that first one. Yes, sir. There we go. Heck yeah. We'll take this size all day, guys. We'll take that size all day long. On the Savage Gear Cicada. Little topwater crawler bait. There we go. Not bad. Wonder if I can get a different angle for you guys. I'm in like some trees. I'm in a bunch of weird stuff. Kind of tricky spot to cast here. You see, right here might be a little better for you guys. Yeah, they're blowing up out here. Got them. I don't know what they're eating out there, but they're eating something. There we go. Little largemouth bass. Oh, easy, buddy. LMB right there. Yeah, they're just popping off out there all of a sudden. Got him. Sick. Heck yeah. Again, guys, no giants in this pond. I know that I caught one that's really big in here, you know, like a 4+ pounder. But other than that, there's a lot of small ones like this. But it's still a heck of a lot of fun. I'm gonna keep moving down, see if I can get a better angle on that spot. I know I can cast better on the other side. I also still want to try fishing down this way as well. Some tricky spots to cast. Over here is really shallow. There's some bass over here though. Scaring them away. Got him. What a blow up. There's a lot of grass right here. Is he still on or did he get off? Oh, he's on there. There's a better one, guys. On the Savage Gear, Cicada. There we go, nice fish. Beautiful LMB right there. Get him back. Heck of a blow up right in front of this tree. See, I was casting on the other side across the way over there, so let me see if I can just cast way out here in the open. They were popping off out here, so. But see, this area is much nicer for me. Wide open area I can actually cast. There we go. And get a better shot for you guys. I wanted it right there. Perfect. There we go. Nice one just out there in the middle of the pond. Smoking. Crushing. I'm not sure what they were blowing up on out there. It's got to be some type of bugs and stuff out here. I mean, you can see them. They're popping everywhere. There we go. Oh my God. That was sick. Gotta bring them over this grass. You see a lot of them are about the same size. Get a couple of quality ones in between, but about the same size fish. There we go. Nice one. Got him. He kind of just sucked it right on under. There we go. Man, still super fun. Super fun on the BFS gear and the little crawler bait. There we go, little guy. See you later, buddy. Got him. Oh, he popped it. Got him. My bait was tangled up. Still got him though. Little guy, man, they're all coming out from the other half of the pond. Little guy. Still fun. There's another blow up. Bunch of stuff happening over here. Got him as soon as I hit the water. Didn't even see it. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. How cool. They're just munching that. They're definitely feeding on something on this side of the pond. I just don't know what it was or what it is. I mean, there's just boils everywhere. And look at them, they're just popping off. One more cast here. Got him. Wow. That's so cool. I'm trying to just keep them out of that grass when I get close here. So stinking cool. They're just absolutely destroying this little bug. There we go. Alright, this is what I want to throw. I want to throw the little 5-inch Nessie right here. It's in like a rainbow trout color right there. Just on some spinning gear. And obviously I'm going to go down to where the fish are blowing up and see if anything happens. Again, I don't think there is any bait fish or anything in this pond. I've never seen minnows schooling, nothing like that. And I've never seen bluegill, not even during the spawn last year, nothing. So, I do think these guys are just on natural forage. And let's just see if we can get one to eat a little swim bait. Got him. Yep. Okay. Good to see that. Good to see. Heck yeah. There we go, guys. Little 5-inch Nessie in rainbow trout. Catching a nice LMB. Perfect right there. Nice, man. Nice. All right. Again, they're pretty much eating on the surface, so I can just work this on top of the water. As soon as I hit the water, guys, what the heck? Wow. They're feeding out there like crazy. They are feeding. Sweet, dude, sweet. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how he ate it. Absolutely munched the Nessie, dude. There we go. Man, he really ate it. Just gone. He's got a little bit of blood, but he should be alright. Kind of hooked him on the bottom of the tongue. Wow. He had that thing gone. Just buried. Oh yeah, this thing glide back and forth so good with light line and spinning gear. Oh, he crushed it. Oh. There we go. Oh, he popped off. Another one. Oh my god, dude. Let's go. That's so much fun, dude. That's so much fun. Easy, buddy. Oh, yeah. How sick. Very, very cool right there. Chuck it back out there. Again, I'm keeping it pretty much a foot below the surface and higher, because they're feeding right on top, so. But it's crazy, I can't get anything on the left side of the pond. It's all on the right side over here. Popped off. Oh, that one crushed it. Got him. Oh my god. Get out of that grass, you dog. Yeah. Fat one, dude. Nice. Nice. This thing has pretty good hookup ratio too. Nice fish right there, guys. Nice. A little 5-inch Nessie, rainbow trout, fat LMB. Perfect little snack size for this size. For this size pond and size fish in here, man. This is perfect. Got him. Wow. He's running this way. Stay out of the grass down there. Bam. Well, bam. There we go. Very fun bait, guys. Definitely try out the 5-inch Nessie. I've heard people saying that they couldn't get them to glide or walk, and it's probably due to the size line and the gear they're using. Again, I'm throwing it on a spinning rod. I got 10-pound braid on here, real nice and finesse, and it walks side to side perfectly like a glide. And I'm kind of almost using it like a topwater spook almost. Keeping it above the surface, pausing it very little, but having having that thing glide back and forth near the surface. Oh, he popped off. Oh, he got it. Oh, yo. Oh my God. Oh. Got that one. Man, that's fun. Oh, he popped it off. Got him. Man, he ran all the way to that tree under there. Just running me over there. Fat one, dude. Fat. Nice. Nice fish. That's a healthy one right there. That's a healthy one right there. What a great bait. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Let me know in the comments below if you guys would like to see me come back out here. Let me know what bait you think won this challenge. Again, there was no giants today, but it was a heck of a lot of fun. They were not blowing up on this side of this pond where the sun is kind of shining. And obviously there's not a lot of trees. As you can see, it's pretty much open. But all towards the middle of this pond and that way, they were eating like crazy. They started boiling and blowing up. I mean, they're still doing it now. I can keep catching a bunch more, but I do want to come back out here and do another video. So drop a comment below. Who do you think won? What bait you guys like? And if you guys want to see me fish a certain type of bait out here, drop them in the comments below and I'll try to get that done for you guys. So this is Matt with Matt Fishing. Remember guys, you learn after every cast, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.